nothing green in this, okay? The gentlemen are so focused and quiet, where the ladies are noisy. What is that? I'm just kidding. Okay. All right. Well, okay, gentlemen, let's be serious. Let's sing one song for the to the ladies. Ang taon kong pag-ibig.
Evil way.
Okay. Hold on, ladies. Let's listen to the gentleman. Brother Frank, are you ready to sing?
Frank!
You have your own one, Brother Frank.
Grandfather.
Okay. Maalala mo kayo, dinadasaw maalala mo.
Evil way. Evil way. You gotta change your evil way.
Okay. Ladies, listen to the gentleman. Okay. Are we all ready? Maalala mo kaya?
I forgot.
Okay, if you don't know the lyrics, please, you're holding your cell phones, Google it. No camera, Google it so that you know how to sing. Because we will not leave the hall until we are able to sing.